Not sure why, but for some reason they changed the name from SS somewhere around like some little war, World War II or something like that. So this is Jim. He's the owner. Jim, tell us about your beautiful car.
This is an SS1 airline saloon, is what it's called. And the company name was SS Cars Limited at the time. And I'll open the door just briefly. So you'll see a plate, and it says Coachwork by Swallow. So that is part of the history of a company that became Jaguar in 1945 after the World War II. So
That smell of that leather is just that's. If
the car
people could only smell that. Wow.
the car's been done since 20